Well, on that note, the opposition also staged a walkout. We have Pragya and Sabyasachi with us. Sabyasachi, how do we understand as far as Jaya Bachchan is concerned? Of course, she's a senior parliamentarian, but we have seen that face-off that happened with the chair with regards to her name, and now she's again, then there was a banter, a friendly banter that was also witnessed. Now what happens next? Because she again has raised objection to being called as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan. I think Sabyasachi is still getting connected with us. Pragya, if you can take that question.
Well, Amita, as you know, there had been this kind of altercation in Rajya Sabha between, we had seen these scenes. These scenes had been repeated in Rajya Sabha between Chair and also Ms. Jaya Bachchan. Now, Ms. Jaya Bachchan has come out to say that the tone and tenor of the chair was not right. In fact, it is a disrespect of women. This is what Ms. Sonia Gandhi also accompanied Ms. Jaya Bachchan outside, along with other opposition MPs. And they said that they didn't like the tone. They are also senior citizens, and this is not how they should be treated in the House. However, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar, who is also chair and chairman of the Rajya Sabha, he has been time and again telling the opposition MPs that their behavior is unruly. They do not respect the chair. There are challenges, and obviously there are accusations that are directed at the chair, not to him personally, but at the esteemed position of the chair. So opposition MPs are undermining the dignity of the chair and time and again by not adhering to the rules and regulations of the House. This is why Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar had objected and intercepted between the addresses of the opposition leader, trying to
but there is a certain decorum that needs to be maintained, and of course, if they may be colleagues, but Jagdeep Dhankar, Sabyasachi, is at a position where he is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha.
Well, absolutely. See, Jagdeep Dhankar is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha and the vice president of the country. So in that order, his decorum has to be maintained. See, time and again, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar has been telling the opposition leaders to maintain the decorum of the House. Yesterday also, we had seen that ruckus broke out in Rajya Sabha after the opposition parties demanded a discussion on Vinesh Fogart. And that particular time, Jagdeep Dhankar, in fact, leveled allegation against Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament Derek O'Brien that he was shouting at the chair, and this sort of behavior is unacceptable, and the next time he does show, he will be shown the door. And after which Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar did not feel right. He went out of the House. He said that he does not feel right to sit on the chair right now to conduct the Rajya Sabha, and that is when he decided to leave the House because
that needs to be followed. This is the Parliament that is now being represented as far as senior members of the Rajya Sabha are also concerned, but there has been a response, especially when it comes to the opposition who staged a walkout. And here is what Jaya Bachchan has to say after she came out from the Parliament.
I objected to the tone used by the chair. We are not school children. We are all, and some of us are senior citizens. I was upset with the tone, and especially when LOP stood up to speak, he had switched off the mic. How can you do this? He said, you may be celebrity, I don't care. I'm not asking him to care. I'm saying I am a member of Parliament. This is my fifth term. I know what I'm saying. Nobody has ever spoken the way it's being done nowadays in Parliament. I need an apology. From the chair. I need an apology for saying I don't care. He has to care. He's on the chair. He has to care.
Pragya, how do we understand it? Because one day it was friendly banter, and the next day she's taken objection to her full name being taken, and now she's taken objections and taken offense to the tone that is being used by the chair, and now is seeking an apology.
I would say this is not just about Ms. Jaya Bachchan versus chairman. I would say this is about the opposition versus the chairman. In fact, if you have heard Ms. Jaya Bachchan carefully, most of the time she is saying that the mic of the leader of opposition was turned off. So she is not just talking about herself; she is also talking about other opposition members. So basically, they are saying that chairman do not, the kind of tone and tenor of chairman towards them is not respectable, and they won't take it and they will object to it. She said she demand an apology from the chair. However, time and again, you have also heard Mr. Vice President and also Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Mr. Dhankar. He has already, time and again said that, when I am humble to you, and my sublimity should not be misunderstood as fragility. I may be joking with you, I may be engaging with you in a light banter, but that does not mean that I am weak. And you should adhere to the laws of the house. You need to understand
well, is
that
this
you should have
perception battle that seems to be taking place, just being offended on the tone of the chair that Mrs. Bachchan also took offense to, but remains to be seen exactly now, because she is seeking for an apology, saying that I want an apology on the line when he said, I don't care, you may be a celebrity. There is a longer version as far as what Jaya Bachchan had to say when she came out of the parliament. Let's also listen into that.
नाटने वाले कौन